How to use the Roblox Studio. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create your first game using the Roblox Studio, it's quite simple. Whether you are new to game development or just getting started, this guide will help you. First of all, you'll have to download and install the Roblox Studio. You can do it via Launch Studio option, and this will open another page from where you can access the Roblox Studio. Once you go to the Roblox Studio option, you can click on Choose a template. After that, tap on any of the template that you like. Familiarize yourself with the interface by showing all the objects in your game. You can add, delete, organize game elements here. Also, you can have the properties panel, toolbox options, viewports, and much more. Other than that, you can add and edit the objects as well. After that, add a script. This is available on the Explorer panel, and then you can insert an object as well. Write code. You can open the script editor and write Lua code to define how objects should behave. For example, you can make an object move or change color when clicked or unclicked. After that, you can go to the play mode and test your game. After that, you can be able to save your game via the file option, which is on the top left corner, and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.